Hi there, this is Deepak from Bikedissection. Now I will be discuss about what does E and F letter on your fuel gauge mean. So let's proceed. Any car or motorbike owner know how to take their vehicle on the road. However, while accelerating, braking or switching colors are like second nature, there aren't that many drivers who also know how to read the different symbol of the instrument panel. As the result, many symbols are misinterpreted, but one symbol may be the most misunderstood of all, the E letter on the fuel gauge panel. E is located opposite the letter F. Both letters indicate fuel level and panel can be manual or digital. But what do they mean? F is widely known to stand for full, indicating a tank full of fuel. When the needle points to F or over close to it, you can drive safely. As your travel continues, notice that the needle will move towards E, contrary to what we may think. E does not mean empty. Instead, it reads emergency, a gentle nudge that reminds the driver to stop for petrol as soon as you see one. At that point, your tank is not entirely empty. E also means you have about 10% of your fuel left. To avoid breaking down in the middle of your drive, especially a long one, always ensure you fill up your vehicle ahead of the journey. So this is the mean of E and F letter. Now you will not face any problem. E and F letter. If you like this video, then like it, and if you think that this video is helpful for you, then subscribe my channel and share to others. Thanks for watching.